Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec. On Thursday, the 26th of March, we're going to have a look at cable now, which cable has certainly been engaging in this rally, but what a volatility that we're seeing playing out still in cable. Massive intraday swings. Yesterday, for example, 330 odd pips of daily range. What a massive move that was. Again, just no real let up, and the actual average true range is around about that sort of level anyway, so it's fairly standard at the moment. But we can see that we have now put, well, I'll say three decisive positive candles together in a out of the last four sessions. And the move is sort of continuing today, not decisively though. And it's interesting that we're now hitting the buffer of this old September low. You can see the importance of that low. The old September low, 1950 area, that seems to be a basis of resistance as we've hit in the last couple of days at 75 and subsequently 60 being the highs in the last two sessions. You can see here on the hourly chart though that the recovery is getting going, but there's a base pattern, 1930. It had an initial breakout, then pulled back. Another sort of look at that level today, early morning, has pulled back a little bit. But we are still developing this recovery, and you can see that the moving average is starting to pick up. That 89-hour moving average, interestingly, picking up as a good sign. RSI holding above 40, again, another good sign on the hourly chart. MACD lines above neutral, another good sign. So the prospect that this is turning into a recovery, and what a recovery it would be, 525 pips of base pattern you could measure, and then you project that higher. You can see that given the fact that the market fell so precipitously, so hugely and quickly, there's not a great deal of resistance to overcome on the way back. Yeah, I mean, once you get through 1955 and 20 big figure, I suppose then you're looking immediately at the 29.95 level. So that's already sort of 200 pips up from that that level of first resistance. So that the capacity for gains in this recovery could be quite significant if the bulls can get through this first resistance at 1955. So the market certainly seems to be buying into weakness, certainly in the last few sessions anyway. You've seen a pickup from 118.10 today, and initial little bit of support 117.70 area, but this low here, this reaction low from yesterday, that is 1635 area, that needs to now hold. If that gets broken to the downside, you're thinking of a retest of the lows again. But whilst that holds and the market continues to build with these momentum indicators, then the prospect of recovery continues. So it's looking okay for a change on cable. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars.